We'll guide you through how to fix being unable to format an SD card in Windows. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as you're then unable to go and use the SD card. So let's get started with how you can go and fix it. What we can do is go and close out of this like so. What you need to do is come down to the bottom and click on search and go and type in disk management and select create and format hard disk partitions. Disk management will go and open up just like so. Come down to the lower half and scroll down until you go and find the SD card. It's likely that the space hasn't been allocated. If it has been allocated, you can go and right click on it and click on delete volume. That will delete everything on there. You can delete it and then we can allocate it. Right click on unallocated and click new simple volume. Now you can go through the wizard. Personally, I don't change any of this here. Then you can go and press finish and that'll be it. It'll be complete. That should now be formatted, and you should also be able to go and format it in File Explorer. I'll right click on it, I'll click on format, and it should now be successful. As you can see, complete. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.